Women in Welding! Go PRP! We're at the Women of Welding Competition where we have people from each grade.
We are J-Town.
Participate in a competition where they're giving a weld and they're judged off that weld.
We're going to tack everything up, everything. And then once it's tacked up, you're going to weld it, just like this.
There is not a competition, as far as I know, at all like this in the nation. We've got 90 young ladies. They got an opportunity to compete with their peers in all 3 different levels. To see them perform is just, the teachers get to watch and parents, and it's great.
Not only did I learn skills of I have to be done by a certain time, I have to do these certain right to make it hold up and look pretty, but I also learned that not all the time you'll have time to finish, so you have to use your time well.
I was just so excited. My teacher, Will Smith, he just told me this, I have just come in, this high five.
A young person can pretty much pick their salary. You know, we've got students right now at PRP that are co-oping, making $25 an hour, and they ain't even graduated high school yet.
We have great teachers, so they get to teach us everything that not everyone can learn on their own, or they have to wait until they're going to a trade school or a technical college or something. I get to learn it while I'm in high school, do something that's hands-on rather than writing notes and taking tests.
The more they come here and do this,
Flip it over and you'll tap the other side.
the more pressure they're under, and it allows them, when they go to work, they have to take a welding certification test, and it takes some of that off of them. That's a very good thing.
When I was in there and I was welding, I was really focused, I was locked in. It felt like I was kind of zoned out, and everything that happened outside, it just disappears.
I have seen, since we started 4 years ago, the number of female welders growing since this competition. These girls get to talk, somebody's been doing it every day, and take away some of the nerves that, you know, the stereotypes is what I'm going to say that people put on this to girls, and it shouldn't be that way because they excel well.